What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today I'm here with my 2008 Subaru Outback. I got a 2.5 liter, I think it's a boxer motor, and today I'm just going to be replacing an air filter, which is located right inside here. And I'll put these back down, start from the beginning. So you're going to need access to that box, and so what I'm going to do is pop these clamps up. And then I'm going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor right here. And then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and loosen this. I already loosened it some, so it should come off fairly easy. And then I'm going to wiggle that out of there. 1 second while I do it. All right, boom. The more you loosen this, the easier it is. All right, so I'm just going to kind of wiggle that air filter out. And I'm going to replace it with this one. I'm hoping it fits. I bought it off Facebook, but what's crazy is the guy who sold it to me purchased it in February 25th of 2020, no longer has the car. So that's cool. This filter was purchased a long time ago. But I'm going to get it in there and just change it out, and I'll show you what they look like side by side. All right, so it actually doesn't look too bad, which is astonishing. I can't see in all these pleats. Let's see what the back side. Okay, so the back side looks really bad. This camera does not do it justice. Super dusty. The filter is working. This is the side that the air entered on. It's also the side that this bug entered on. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So I'm going to replace it with this one. Now, it doesn't have as many pleats, but it looks to be the same size, and it should fit. So I'm just going to wiggle this back down in there, right like this. I do want to show you at the base here, there's two little spots. One right there. Let me fix the light. Okay, so there's actually these little things right here and one on that side there too, where the base and these little clips are going to go into. Oops, let me turn it the correct way. So these little pegs are going to slide into those holes. Move my light out of the way. Now also notice you have a little hose clamp here on the side. Make sure that's not ripping anything off as it goes down there, and be sure you get it back on there on the line that it was on. All right, got it in there. I want to make sure these two little top clamps seat, and then it has, I'm right in light, this little piece right here. I want to make sure that that sits right in the groove, and then it lines up all the way down. As you go in there, because you don't want any extra air coming in outside of if it's not being filtered. And it comes in through the, let me zoom back out. Comes in through the intake piece right there. And then also in here, if you've jiggled the box around, you could have like broke the seal between this piece here and it connects there. So just make sure that's nice and tight and put in there. So there's no gaps. And I don't have any gaps, which is good. So that's how you replace your air filter. Hope this was helpful. Also, don't forget to tighten back down this hose clamp and connect your mass airflow sensor again, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll be doing more repairs as they come up for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.